Investment Tracker June. Postman. Postman is a complete API development environment, used by nearly 6 million developers and more than 200,000 companies worldwide. It offers a platform for developers or enterprises to build, test, and debug their APIs. The platform intends to use the funds to continue to expand operations and its business reach. Bangalore-based SaaS startup Postman has raised $150 million at a $2 billion valuation in its Series C investment round led by Insight Partners, a New York-based investment fund. With this valuation, Postman will enter the Indian SaaS Unicorn Club, which includes the likes of Zoho, Freshworks, iCertis and Driva. Industry, Technology. Founded, 2014. Founder, Ankit Sobti. Headquarters, US. Key people, Abhijit Kane. Products, build, test, and debug APIs. Number of employees, 251 to 500. Website, www.postman.com. Ownership status, privately held. Funding status, late stage venture. Last funding type, Series C. Number of funding rounds, 4. Last funding amount, $150 million. Total funding amount, $208 million. Number of lead investors, 3. Number of total investors, 3. HealthPlix. HealthPlix is a health tech startup. HealthPlix's iPlatform digitally assists doctors in their clinics and outpatient departments of hospitals. The software also allows them to give prescriptions in more than 18 languages. Bangalore-based health tech startup HealthPlix has raised $6 million in its Series B funding round. The investment has been led by JSW Ventures with participation from existing investors Chiratai Ventures and Kalari Capital. The company said it is doubling its efforts to help doctors provide in-person or remote consultation to patients using the same digital platform seamlessly. Industry, Healthcare. Founded, 2014. Founder, Sandeep Gudibanda. Headquarters, Bangalore. Key people, Sundar Raju. Products, e-prescriptions. Number of employees, 101 to 250. Website, www.healthplix.com. Ownership status, privately held. Funding status, early stage venture. Last funding type, Series B. Number of funding rounds, 2. Last funding amount, $6 million. Total funding amount, $9 million. Number of lead investors, 3. Number of total investors, 3. Waycool. Chennai-based agri-tech startup Waycool Foods and Products has secured $5.5 million in debt financing guaranteed by the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation, DFC, and comes through IndusInd Bank's Impact Investment Division. The funds will help Waycool with its expansion plans within southern India. Industry, Agritech. Founded, 2015. Founder, Sanjay Dasre. Headquarters, Chennai. Key people, Karthik Jayaraman. Products, processes, distributes, and procures fresh produce, dairy products, and staples. Number of employees, 101 to 250. Website, www.waycool.com. Ownership status, privately held. Funding status, late stage venture. Last funding type, debt financing. Number of funding rounds, 7. Last funding amount, $5.5 million. Total funding amount, $66.3 million. Number of lead investors, 5. Number of total investors, 8. YOLOBUS. YOLOBUS attempts to improve hospitality in long-distance bus services with the assistance of technology. The platform offers clean, comfortable and connected buses for intercity travel. Intercity bus travel startup YOLOBUS has raised $3.3 million in its Series A funding round led by Nexus Venture Partners. With the funding, the company is planning to expand its service in the country. Industry, Travel and Tourism. Founded, 2019. Founder, Ganesh Chopra. Headquarters, Haryana. Key people, Mukesh Shah. Products, intercity bus and mobility services. Number of employees, 101 to 250. Website, www.yolobus.com. Ownership status, privately held. Funding status, early stage venture. Last funding type, Series A. Number of funding rounds, 2. Last funding amount, $3.3 million. Total funding amount, $4.1 million. Number of lead investors, 1. Number of total investors, 2. Topper. Topper is an after-school learning app on a mission to make learning personalized. We help students prepare for various school, board, and competitive exam. Postman. The company said that the investment will be used for further expansion and growth. Industry, EduTech. Founded, 2013. Founder, Hemant Gote. Headquarters, Mumbai. Key people, Zishan Hayat. Products, various courses and entrance exam tutoring. Number of employees, 501 to 1000. Website, www.topper.com. Ownership status, privately held. Funding status, late stage venture. Last funding type, Series C. Number of funding rounds, 10. Last funding amount, $2 million. Total funding amount, $65.3 million. Number of lead investors, 7. Number of total investors, 13. Looking for direct connect to investors. Confused? Use our network to connect with global investors in 3 steps. Choose the investors you want to connect from 8,000 plus investors on our platform. Simple initial pitch generated through our Build Your Pitch dashboard. Send the initial pitch and investor will revert to you with next steps. No middleman, no commission, direct negotiations, quick connect, low cost.